We are tied to the ocean, and when we go back to the sea, whether it is to sail or to watch, we're going back from whence we came. John F. Kennedy once wrote that. Hello, my name's Robert Sarney. I work for Living Reef Memorial, and if you're having to choose a burial option for yourself or someone else, a Living Reef Memorial is an ecological alternative to traditional memorials, and that it eternally gives back to those we leave behind. A Living Reef Memorial is a scientifically engineered artificial reef that mimics habitat of very specific species of marine life, typically those that have been impacted by humans. A reef is born by incorporating the cremains into an organic compound, which is comprised of sand, crushed seashells, cremains, and a little bit of concrete. It's cast into a reef mold. The mold is made from recycled materials. After a 30-day curing period, the reef is then born. Then it's loaded onto a non-polluting wind-powered sailboat, sailed out to the Los Coronados Islands, which are 4 beautiful, pristine, and uninhabited islands just off the coast of San Diego, and then installed onto the sea floor. Once a reef is installed into the sea, soon a natural transformation occurs. Usually within just a few days, the reef is surrounded by fish, and it's inhabited by many species of marine life. Soon, brown algae and other organisms attach themselves to the reef, and that is the fastest growing organism in the world. It grows almost 2 feet a day, and pretty soon we have a natural nursery and home to many pelagic species of marine life that wouldn't have otherwise inhabited that area. And it absolutely blooms with life, making our oceans more healthy, more biologically productive, and that benefits all of us. Sea Turtle Rescue was founded in 2002, and to date we have rescued over 40,000 sea turtles. And that wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for the sale or the money generated through the sale of the Living Reef Memorials. The intrinsic benefits of a memorial reef are profound. It creates a positive situation in a very tragic time in people's lives. This is a product that gives back to the environment and leaves a positive legacy of life, love, and hope for those we leave behind. If you have any questions or are interested in a Living Reef Memorial product, please feel free to give us a call toll-free, 1-800-569-7333.